turn your engine off. Pull up the handbrake. Pull on the bonnet release lever and open the bonnet. This will allow you to see the battery, which is located to the right of the engine compartment. Using a Phillips screwdriver, unscrew the plastic cover for accessing the bulbs. This will allow you to access the fastening plate on the battery later. Remove the plastic protection cover on the battery by simultaneously pushing on the two studs on each side of the cover. Never start by disconnecting the positive terminal with all the cars still connected to the minus terminal. This risks creating dangerous sparks in the electric network of your car. Using a 10mm spanner, start by removing the negative terminal from the battery. Once removed, ensure you distance the cable to avoid untimely reconnections, which could damage the electrical network of the vehicle. Repeat the operation on the positive terminal. Unclip the frame from the plastic casing located on the battery, then remove the frame. Using a socket wrench, a long extender and a 13mm socket, unscrew the fastening plate on the battery and remove it. You can now remove the battery. Sand the inside of the terminals with sandpaper to remove the layer of white oxidation and to avoid breakdowns in the long term. On the new battery, remove the protective covers. Coat the terminals with copper grease to improve the contact between the terminals and connectors, but also to limit oxidation development. Put the new battery in place and push it firmly into its frame. This will allow you to put the fastening plate back in place more easily. Now screw it in. Clip the frame of the casing back in and fix the casing in place by sliding it forward. Start by screwing the positive terminal in using a 10mm spanner. Then screw the negative terminal in. You can now put the plastic cover back on the battery. Operation completed.